Alright, let's move on to the first component of natural language processing, which is tokenization. Tokenization is the process of breaking down a text into smaller units, called tokens. Tokens are usually words, but they can also be characters, symbols, punctuation marks, etc. Tokenization is like chopping up a text into pieces, so that we can work with them more easily. For example, let's take this sentence. I love natural language processing. If we apply tokenization to this sentence, we will get 5 tokens: I love natural language and processing. Each token is separated by a space, which is the most common way of tokenizing a text. However, there are other ways of tokenizing a text, such as using commas, periods, hyphens, etc. For example, if we use commas to tokenize the same sentence, we will get 4 tokens: I love natural language and processing. As you can see, tokenization can affect the number and the meaning of the tokens. Tokenization is important for natural language processing because it is the first step of analyzing a text. Tokenization helps us to identify the basic units of a text and to prepare them for the subsequent NLP tasks, such as parsing, indexing, embedding, etc. Parsing is the process of analyzing the grammatical structure of a text, such as the parts of speech, the phrases, the clauses, etc. Indexing is the process of assigning a unique identifier to each token, so that we can store and retrieve them efficiently. Embedding is the process of representing each token as a numerical vector, so that we can perform mathematical operations on them. Tokenization is not a trivial task, because natural language is very complex and diverse. There are many challenges and difficulties that tokenization has to deal with, such as different languages, different writing systems, different spelling rules, different word boundaries, different abbreviations, different contractions, different compound words, etc. For example, how do you tokenize a text in Chinese, which does not have spaces between words? How do you tokenize a text in Arabic, which is written from right to left? How do you tokenize a text that contains hyphenated words, such as state of the art? How do you tokenize a text that contains apostrophes, such as don't or it's? How do you tokenize a text that contains numbers, such as 3.14 or 2023? These are some of the questions that tokenization has to answer. There are many methods and techniques that tokenization can use to overcome these challenges and difficulties, such as rule-based methods, statistical methods, machine learning methods, etc. Rule-based methods use predefined rules and patterns to tokenize a text, such as regular expressions, dictionaries, etc. Statistical methods use probabilistic models and algorithms to tokenize a text, such as hidden Markov models, conditional random fields, etc. Machine learning methods use neural networks and deep learning to tokenize a text, such as recurrent neural networks, transformers, etc. These methods have different strengths and weaknesses, and they can be combined or customized to suit different needs and scenarios. Tokenization is a fascinating and essential component of natural language processing, and it has many applications and benefits. Tokenization can help us to create or improve various NLP tasks, such as chatbots, text summarization, machine translation, speech recognition, etc. Chatbots are computer programs that can converse with humans using natural language, such as Siri, Alexa, Cortana, etc. Text summarization is the process of creating a short and concise summary of a long and complex text, such as a news article, a research paper, a book, etc. Machine translation is the process of translating a text from one language to another, such as from English to French, from Spanish to Chinese, etc. Speech recognition is the process of converting speech to text, such as from voice to text messages, from voice to commands, etc. To offer consulting services around tokenization, you could help your clients with tasks such as creating or improving their chatbots, generating summaries or translations of their texts, recognizing speech or converting speech to text, etc. You could also help your clients with choosing or developing the best tokenization method for their needs and scenarios, such as rule-based, statistical, machine learning, or hybrid methods. You could also help your clients with evaluating and optimizing the performance and the efficiency of their tokenization methods, such as by measuring the accuracy, the speed, the memory, etc. So, that's all for the first component of natural language processing, tokenization. I hope you learned something new and interesting today. If you have any questions, feedback, or suggestions for future episodes, please feel free to share them with me. I would love to hear from you. In the next episode, we will talk about the second component of natural language processing, stemming and lemmatization. Stay tuned, and see you soon.